Welcome to Basic Assembly 1 of the Basic Assembly series, Time tutorials. This is within Pro Engineer Wildfire 3. This is an extremely basic assembly tutorial, but if you've never used assembly, it'll give you an idea kind of how to get started. So assembly, similar to part, basically you'll have datum planes, but within assembly we'll just create a new one, basically a blank one with some default datum planes. You can do it through the File, New, and select Assembly as far as the type. In this example, we'll call it screw bracket. And instead of as a part having the .prt extension, we'll actually have a .asm extension. And you'll notice the default assembly datum planes similar to a part, but they have the asm underscore. So within assembly, it's just a matter of assembling components. So what we can do is go insert component assemble or select the icon. And then it's just a matter of selecting the part that we want to bring into this assembly. So we'll bring in the bracket down at the dashboard bottom. You'll notice what may look a little bit different if you haven't used assemblies before. But for this first part, we're just going to set up the placement constraints as default. So default's basically just going to drop this part within the default section of the assembly on the coordinate systems. We'll turn all that off, and down at the bottom you'll see status fully constrained. So hit the green check mark and we're done, and basically we have one component in this assembly. Obviously we're going to be putting in more components as we move on, but this will give you an idea kind of how we start that initial assembly. Like I said, real basic, but the next tutorials and videos build upon this concept of creating assemblies with multiple components. So make sure you head over to ProTime and download BA2 video, which continues this series.